AWS Developer Associate Certification Training. What is AWS Developer? AWS Developer is a suite of tools, services, and resources provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, to facilitate the development, deployment, and management of applications on the AWS platform. It includes SDKs, APIs, IDE integrations, and deployment tools to streamline the development process for building scalable and reliable cloud-based applications. Topics: Lesson 01, Introduction. Lesson 02, Getting Started. Lesson 03, Core Services. Lesson 04, Command Line Interfaces. Lesson 05, Serverless. Lesson 06, CI/CD and Developer Tools. Lesson 07, Security. Lesson 08, Docker on AWS, ECS, ECR, and Fargate. Lesson 09, Additional Key Services. Lesson 10, AWS Serverless Web App.